Hey guys, how's it going, Electron Man? Well, I got the might as wells on the PC now. I don't know if any of you guys are like me. Us computer geeks. I built this PC about 4 years ago, and I just did a BIOS upgrade and went to a AMD Ryzen 5 5500, and now I got the might as wells. So now I'm gonna do a an upgrade on the memory. And I dang near today went and bought another video card because it's the might as well. Well, I done this, and now if I do this, it'll even be better. And I stopped myself. I realized that I'm not playing any games right now that my RX 580 is not handling. Yeah, I know it's old school. The card's like 4 years old, but it's still performing for the games I play just fine. So I don't really need to buy another one. And I was looking at the 580 now. You can pick it for $100 now. I promise you, I paid a lot more than that for it. But anyway, I didn't want to get off on that tangent, but what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to do one more might as well for right now on my PC. Let me go ahead and pull around here. We're gonna put some X power. I'm not real picky on memory. Some guys are. I mean, most of this memory, if you get good memory, it works. And this is X power, and I bought a 32 gig kit. I'm running 16 megs right now. The main reason for this upgrade is that the current memory I have in there will not support the 3200. Speed that the Ryzen 5 will support. So that I do have a justification why I'm actually doing an upgrade on the memory. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you along. This shouldn't be a real long video. It's not too hard to do memory upgrade, but I thought you might want to go ahead and see it. So let's get started on it. I'll go ahead and I'll get this camera position, move the computer out, which you've seen my case. In fact, go back, check out the whole build I did on this. It's been a solid build. I've been running it for I think about 4 years, and I'm totally satisfied with it. Other than it's kind of getting a little bit antiquated. It's 4 years old, so we've upgraded the Gen 3 on the CPU, and now we're going to put 32 gig of 3200 in it, and I'll still have 2 slots open because the other memory is too slow to leave in there, so I will take it out and put this 32 gig in there. And of course I could always have 64, but from what I read and the games I play, I'm not going to need more than 32. By the way, this memory, the main reason I did this is because memory's down to, it's down probably, at one time, $54 a piece. It took 4 of them to get 1 meg, so it's 256K. And I've just bought 32 gig for $50. So it gives you any idea from 256K to 32 gig for the same amount of money. It's amazing, how memory prices changed over the years. But anyway, let me go ahead and get this camera set, and we're going to do a little upgrade. Okay, that should give you a good view of it, which on this computer, I just got 2 little thumb screws on the side here to get the case opened on it. I just had her open not a few days ago, upgrading the Ryzen, so it's clean now. Go ahead and set the cover to the side here. And let's see, how hard is this memory going to be to get to? Not too bad. Actually, I think I'm going to go ahead and unplug that. Remember to plug that back in, just to get me out of the way a little bit more. And let's see if we can't get this memory out of here. See if I can get that camera view in there a little bit better. I wish I had better light. Probably would help you. I don't know if you can see that good or not. Tell you what, let me go ahead and let's get this new memory out of the package first. I pre-cut this, by the way. It's one of them horrible packages that are hard to get out of it. Here's my new memory. Go ahead and set that here. The things I do for you guys, I'm trying to get it to where it's easier for you to see me do the memory swap. I think I can get in there good that way. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead and move that in a little closer there. Do that right there. I think that'll get you in. I think it's still kind of, I need a better shot here. Let's try this way. And these have a little button that you push on the ends of them. Dang, man, it's going to make it to where I'm not going to have to pull that video card. I did not want to have to do that, but looks like I'm going to have to pull the video card. It's not worth it. So be it. Yeah, this is the old Ryzen 5800. She's been a good card, I tell you. What I really like about her is the 4 ports on the back. Since I run 3 monitors, it's always been handy. But yeah, that gives me a whole lot more room to get in here and change the memory. So you got these little slots right here that you just push down these. There we go. Should do it. There we go. Which I had what did I have in here? T-Force Vulcans, which Vulcan's good memory. Okay. And if you notice, it was on the 1 and the 3 here, right? So we want to go back in the same way. Which short end goes up, so we're going to go right in here. Yeah, whenever you're using these memory slots, you have to check the motherboard and make sure you would think just 1, 2, but on these it's actually every other one. Cable, man. Nice. It snapped in good. Thumb screws back in here. We go ahead and back the camera back up now, I believe. Get the thumb screws back in here. And hook everything back up, and then we'll bring BIOS up and check that part out. And it looks like we got her all back right again. Now it should go in the BIOS, hopefully. Which it does. Dang, I hate to waste these two DDR4s, 2 8 gigs sticks, 16 gigs of memory, but what was these anyway? What was these? These were 3200s too. Technically, I could run these. I thought these weren't 3200s. I guess it was, should I go ahead and put them in there, guys, and run 16 and run 48 gigs? Heck, why waste them? The system's back up, by the way, guys. I didn't even get a chance to go in the BIOS. You know what? I'm going to get off camera here, and I'm going to go ahead and put these in. Why not have 48? I thought these were like 2800s, but they're actually 3200s too, so there's no reason why I can't run 4 sticks and have 16 and 32, have 48s. 48 gigs. So, why not? There you go, guys. Look at that. We got all 4 sticks in her now. And we got her running like a pro. I also went in and changed the UBX to 3200, which another viewer had reminded me about that, and I didn't change it because I thought I didn't have 3200 memory. So thanks for that tip, by the way. But anyway, we're running all 4 sticks at 3200 now, and we're gonna go ahead and do another performance result and see if I gained anything by upgrading to 48 gigs of memory and changing that setting to 3200. Kind of anxious to see if I gain any more on that. Pretty cool. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys. Well, we went ahead and did a benchmark after I did my memory upgrade. And as you see, my gaming now went from a yacht to a gunboat. I'm up to 56% on it. Desktop, I'm in a nuclear submarine at 99, and workstation even went up. I'm at 51% there. About to say, I think I gained 2% on the CPU. We're rocking solid on it. We're 93.3% on it. As I said, the 580 is really my bottleneck now. It's at 5170. It could really use an upgrade. It's an old 580 with 4 gigabytes of RAM, and I need to get to at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, and I need at least a 6600 or a 6700 or 6750. But man, you can get into $400 or $500 real quick that way. But anyway, Intel, the SSD, they're all performing as usual. My memory is now at 105% outstanding, and as you can see, we're running 3200 on all 4 channels. So we're rocking, man. It's at 94% percentile, 94% percentile, 94% percentile. Try to say that 3 times fast. Anyway, we're at 105%. So yeah, we're kicking butt on the memory now, and I got 48 gigs of it now. don't see me needing any more than that in the near future. Anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed. Well, guys, as you can see, that was a pretty big success. Even got her up more. Really, my only bottleneck is my video card. It's the only thing that's set at 51. I could have a nuclear submarine all the way around. I think all settings if I do an upgrade on the video card. Boy, that sure is tempting. But that's a pricey upgrade, and I really don't need it. But boy, it's so tempting. I got that might as well going on, guys. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, and wait for the next cool video coming out. And guys, as always, have a great day.